Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my very first YouTube video and I'm going to make fried chicken sandwich inside of 2 glazed donuts. This is going to be semi-homemade. I'm going to make almost everything in the air fryer, and this is really a dupe off of Kentucky Fried Chicken's fried chicken sandwich. Inside, I think, Krispy Kreme donuts. Unfortunately, they are only rolled out into 40 test locations, and I'm not gonna call around to see if there's one near me. I'm just gonna make one of my own. So I hope you follow along with me. All right, so we're ready to begin. We have our chicken that has been rinsed and patted off with a paper towel. And I did use this Louisiana air fryer chicken coating for the first time. So we're going to see how that comes out. Along with the coating, I did mix in some salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. I want a little bit of kick against the glazed donut. So I mixed that here, and in the wash is heavy cream and 1 egg mixed together. So let's go ahead and put our chicken in the coating first. Get that nice and coated there. Okay, then we're going to put into the wash, and we're going to put into the air fryer. So every air fryer is different, but you're going to learn after you make your favorites a few times what setting you like best. So for this air fryer, it's a Go Wise USA air fryer. It's a small one just for me, and I got it at Tuesday morning. So let's go ahead and put this on. Oops, let's restart it. Let's go ahead and put this one on 380, and I'm going to cook this for 7 minutes. All right, and with most air fryers, everything is going to come out better if you flip it halfway through. So 380 for 7 minutes, and we'll be back to flip this over soon. Okay, so our first 7 minutes is up. We're going to open up the air fryer and flip it over. So I'm going to use a spatula for this. Very simple. And back in for another 7 minutes on 380. We'll be back. All right, so our chicken is done in the air fryer. We're going to take it out and take a look at it. All right. Bit of the coating got lost off of it, but it looks good nonetheless. So the next step is we're going to make air fryer donuts. And for the next step, we're going to use a simple canned biscuit and make air fryer donuts from the biscuits. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these up. I'm going to take you with me on this one. All right, we're going to open these up. Just going to use a few for right now. And put them on your plate. You're going to use something small to cut the middle out, and that's too big. So let's try number 2. I'm going to use a little melon baller. It's the closest thing I have. And I don't think my air fryer will fit more than 3. So let's just do 3 for now. And I'm just scooping the holes out. You're going to pull out your air fryer and spray the bottom of it. And place your donuts in there. And I'm right, I can only fit 3. All right, so I'm going to put these in here for on 350 for 5 minutes. And then we'll turn them halfway through. All right, so while we're waiting for the donuts to cook in the air fryer, I'm gonna make the glaze. So you're gonna use 2 cups of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of milk, and a little bit of vanilla flavoring if you have it. Right now I'm just gonna make those 2. I don't want too much to clash with the chicken. So let's go ahead and do 2 cups of powdered sugar. And a 1/4 cup of milk. Whisk this together to make the glaze. And the donuts have about 2 minutes left on this side. Ooh, this glaze is mixing up nice. Sugar and milk. One minute left. Not sure if you can see this glaze. I'm gonna dip the donuts in there. Got our chicken. I don't know if I showed this yet. Our chicken, air fryer chicken, the glaze for the donut, and we're getting ready to flip the first batch of donuts right now. Okay, so it looks like it's time to turn the donuts. Oh wow, okay. Interesting. It's my first time doing this. And let's go ahead and turn these in the spatula, in the air fryer using the spatula. They certainly did puff up. Can you see those there? They puffed up. So let's put those back in for another 5 minutes on 350. All right, we'll check them in a minute. Okay, so our donuts are done. All right. So right now, to me, they look like biscuits. I don't have anything to coat them with, so I'm just going to, a baster. I don't have a baster. So I'm going to do this and dip these in some melted butter. I'm going to let these cool off a minute and then. Okay, so I ran out of battery on my GoPro and I'm finishing up on my phone. But while that was going on, took the donuts and rolled them around in the powdered sugar glaze mix that I made. Just want to get these coated with like a regular glazed donut. Okay, they look great. Again, I don't know how this is going to taste. So we have our chicken, we have our donuts, all from the air fryer, and this is the Kentucky Fried Chicken dupe with donuts and chicken in a sandwich. So I'm going to cut this in half, put it inside of my donut. All right, look at that. And here goes. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This is very, very good. But I made mine in the air fryer. It turned out great. I'm gonna get my eat on, and I'll see you next time. Bye.